Welcome back to Little Math Joy Quiz. Can you solve this tricky math word problems? Let's start.
Question 1. You order a pizza and eat 3/8 of it. Your friend eats 1/4 of the pizza. How much pizza is left? The correct answer is 3/8. Question 2. A shirt costs $30 with a discount of $6. What is the final price? The correct answer is $24. Question 3. A tank is full. You drain 1/3 of it, then 1/3 of the remaining water. What fraction of the tank is left? The correct answer is 4/9. Question 4. You have $40 and spend 1/4 of it. How much money is left? The correct answer is $30. Question 5. A chocolate costs $2.50. What is the cost of 4 chocolates? The correct answer is $10. Question 6. Sarah walks 3/5 of a mile in the morning and 1/5 mile in the evening. How much total distance does she walk? The correct answer is 4/5. Question 7. A shirt costs $60. A discount of $15 is given. What is the final price? The correct answer is $45. Question 8. You drink 1/6 of a bottle of juice in the morning and 1/3 in the evening. What fraction of the bottle is left? The correct answer is 1/2. Question 9. A rope is 12 meters long. If 1/4 of it is cut off, how many meters remain? The correct answer is 9. Question 10. You spend $15 out of $50. What fraction of the money is left? The correct answer is 7/10. Question 11. Aisha spent 3/5 of $50. How much money is left? The correct answer is $20.
That's all for this quiz. How many did you get right? Comment your score and try the next challenge.